Mark is doing the reverse deltoid press on the ProTone. While the reverse deltoid press looks like the deltoid exercise, it is really very different as it targets the posterior rather than the middle deltoid. This is the muscle that helps you move your arms backwards. So when you have difficulty reaching the backpack on your chair or wheeling backwards, this is the exercise to cure that problem. And guess what? You know that square pulled back shoulder look? This is the exercise for that as well. Because the machine's unique dual resistance system, it can be done with one arm or two arms at a time. This, of course, is the major advantage of the ProTone. You can do each exercise in a manner and position that best meets your needs. No other machine offers such flexibility.